Hello, this is Seth for Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ram 1500 Laramie Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in granite. I do really love the granite, it looks fantastic. You do have the chrome accenting up front on that Laramie grille and the chrome bumper as well. You do have bifunction projector style headlights right there, and your fog lights just down there. And coming around the side, we have 20-inch rims with Goodyear Wrangler brand tires. They look great. That chrome rim looks fantastic as well. You do have your heated exterior mirrors also in chrome. They look great. And coming all the way to the back, you do have a 5-foot box on this guy. You got a chrome bumper with your parking sensors and dual exhausts there. And you got your backup camera hanging out there. And it does have a box liner, so nothing will be getting scratched up back here. And 5 feet is a lot of room to haul whatever you might need to. Okay, we got our keys here. We got 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock, and 2 presses to activate the remote start. Especially nice in the winter. It'll get nice and warm for you, and you don't have to go outside. Very nice. Now it also has proximity keyless entry, so if you have it locked and you have your key on your person, put your hand in there, it will unlock for you. You also got the button there to unlock. Then you got your running board along the bottom as well to help you get on inside. Now on the door here, you do have some chrome accenting on the handle here. You do have some wood finish here. It looks awesome. You do have a handle here. You got some storage here and some more down here. Lots of room in here as well. The leather is very nice. It's very comfortable. You got the Laramie logo on it as well. Looks fantastic. You do also have the control over your over your lights here. So you have your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as your fog lights in the center there. And then right here we do have the controls over our windshield wipers and our turning signals, as well as our high beams. And then down here we do have the controls over our seats. So we have backward and forward, as well as the tilt, the lumbar support, and the memory right there. Okay, let's start her up here. So key is in my pocket. We just gotta press the button with our foot on the brake, and it starts right up for us. In the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature, our battery life up top, and we also have our oil up there. It also tells us how many kilometers we have, which is only 343. That is nothing. You also have the temperature outside and which way we're facing. Now we can change that around a bit. We do have our vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A, trip B, trailer tow, your audio, you got your stored messages, and your screen set up. And that is all controlled from your steering wheel right here with your voice recognition, your call out button in the center, horn, and then you also have your cruise control options on the other side here. And then right over here we do have the control over our gears, so the gear shift just like that. And then you also have your 4-wheel lock, your 4-wheel low, your auto, and your 2-wheel drive. And when we are in reverse, we do have that ever useful backup camera. Now, it is on a 8.4-inch touchscreen display here with Uconnect, so you do have your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM all there. You got your media if you have one hooked up through USB, Bluetooth, or through your aux cord. Then you also have your controls over your heated and vented seats and your heated steering wheel, mirror dimmer, backup camera, all those things. You got your apps here. Then you have your climate control. It is a dual climate system for you and your passenger, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. Then you also got your navigation here, so you can hit view map. You can see we are on Rec Place, of course. Then you got your phone options there as well. Down here, we do have our volume up and down with the mute, screen off. We have our hazard lights, back button, and our browser there. We have our AC and circulation, heat up and down. We got the power, the off, the auto. You got front and rear defrost. Then down here we do have all sorts of different guys. So we have our trailer brake, we have our traction control, tow and haul mode, and our park assist. We have our heated seats, vented seats, and the heated steering wheel. Bit of storage in here. And then right in here we have some storage with a spot to put our phone. Some cup holders right here. And then you got your armrest, which doubles as a storage container. Right here you got a couple different coin slots. And then over here we have a USB and an aux cord plug-in. Then you can close this guy up, and you do have some more storage just underneath there. And right over here we do have our dual layer glove boxes. You got your owner's manual in there as well. And then up top here we do have the controls over our sunroof, our little window in the back, and our universal garage door opener. And there is our sunroof. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Now on the door here you do have that same wood on there. You have your chrome accented handle here. You got some storage there and some more down here. It is a crew cab. It looks awesome. There's tons of room in here as well. It is leather. Looks great. You can also pull this guy down right here. You do have some cup holders right there for the people back here. does seat 5 people all together. And you can lift this guy up and this one here. Then you do have some additional storage. On the other side, you do have a subwoofer, or you can lift this up like this and fold it down, and then you do have a flat surface to put whatever you might want to on there. And then right over here, we do have the controls over our seat heaters. Here we go, for the back seats. There's also some additional storage just in here. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2017 Ram 1500 Laramie. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.